Hi folks, Big Daddy Rich here with the WBDR. Hope you enjoy it. Well, I don't work in the rain, and if I hear that thunder, I find a roof to get under so it won't strike me. Call me a rebel, well, this here cab, it's real helpful. And if I don't get out, well, then the rain don't fall on me. I don't work in the rain. I know phones don't like bad weather, but I'm gonna get some shelter in a downpour. And if this storm cloud hovers, I'll play Boom Beach with my brothers. And if the job ain't done, well, I ain't the one to blame. 'Cause I don't work in the rain. And when it gets to raining, the way it's raining now, well, all of them phones will be going out. And if you think for 1 minute that I'm gonna get out in it, well then son, there ain't any doubt that your IQ level's really going down. 'Cause I don't work in the rain. Well, there'll always be tomorrow, and I'll get out and I'll charbel in the sun shine. But if a cloud comes up behind me, well, you'll know where to find me, in the truck not doing anything. 'Cause I don't work in the rain. Oh no. Well, I don't work in the rain. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching WBDR.